Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. It is Diamond Mind in case you are new here. So today's wig is being sponsored by MyFirstWig. This is their beautiful, so cute burgundy bob lace frontal wig, honey. This is giving me life. This is Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. It is Diamond Mind in case you are new here. So today's wig is being sponsored by MyFirstWig. This is their beautiful, so cute burgundy bob lace frontal wig, honey. This is giving me life. Right off the bat, I am noticing, like I have noticed in these last couple of videos, that MyFirstWig is still coming through with the thickness, the fullness on their bob wigs, and I'm just here for it. I love it. Love me a nice full bob, but not too full. But I just love me a bob that moves, you know. It got a real good movement with it. So MyFirstWig is definitely delivering on that. Now, this wig did come with pre-bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline, which I'm here for. I didn't have to worry about bleaching or plucking the knots, which I love because I just love conveniency right now. Like, I just need convenient wigs because plucking and bleaching can be a whole lot, and if a company can provide me with a put on and go type of wig, then that's what I'm here for. That's the vibe. So yeah, super cute. Let's let you guys look at the lace real quick. I do need to cut that little piece right there. But the lace does blend into the skin really, really well. Honestly, I've said this time and time again before on some of my other videos, is I wish companies would start gearing more towards the HD or the more invisible, transparent lace compared to like these dark lace that was so 3 years ago, 5 years ago, some even like 8 years ago. Like, I just feel like the time that we're in right now and how people like to invest money into wigs now and how so many more people are wearing wigs, I just think it's so important for companies to make sure they are putting quality wigs out there with a quality lace as well. And I feel like some companies have kind of dropped the ball on that. But one thing I will say with MyFirstWig, they have always delivered. They are always listening to their customers, influencers, and just trying to make sure they are providing the best experience when it comes to purchasing their wigs. I will say that, and you girls, for those of you who have been rocking with me for a long time, know that I have been a supporter of MyFirstWig since like way back, like before the wig game is what it is today. I was on this company like way back. So to see them grow and see them flourish and to see them, you know, be able to provide such nice wigs with color, density, nice lace, I'm just here for it. I do like this color. I definitely feel like it's very much fall appropriate, very much winter appropriate. Hell, it could even take you into spring if you really, you know, want to catch a vibe. Super cute. Love this color on here. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's just the perfect shade. Definitely can go with any skin tone, whether you have the deepest skin tone, fairest, or, you know, medium skin tone. I definitely feel like this color selection is perfect for any skin tone. Now, I will say this, I believe my part or my wig is off a little bit because this side is longer than this side. So I really don't think this is supposed to be like an asymmetrical bob. I really think my parting is off, or my wig should have been shifted a little bit better. That's what I think, but nevertheless though, girl, it's still giving. Okay, another thing that I like about MyFirstWig is their wig cap sizes are dead on good. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small. You won't have to worry about, you know, like the lace lifting because a wig is too big. I love that about MyFirstWig. Even before they transitioned to making their wigs a lot more fuller and thicker, I love the simple fact that their cap size was perfect each time and the same size on each wig. So if I wanted to go glueless, I could definitely do so. If I wanted to add glue, I could definitely do so. But I feel like in today's world, everybody doesn't really go towards glue anymore. I feel like everybody kind of leans more towards that conveniency of not having the wig glued down and being able to, you know, switch between different looks if they want to, or, you know, just simply take a wig off and wear their natural hair if they want to. I just feel like you have more options, of course, naturally when you don't glue your wig down, and being able to have a nice flawless, seamless, glueless wig install. The lace and the wig structure itself is just so important, and I feel like, and I know My First Wig definitely makes sure they understand that and they deliver on that, because like I said, with their wigs, they have always fitted just right, to the point where I don't have to use any type of glue or gel to secure the wig down. It's going to be a perfect fit regardless of what I do. So yeah, that's all I really got to say about this wig. It's not really a whole lot to say about it. I mean, the video was pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll make sure I have all the details below in the description bar in case you want to purchase this wig. I definitely think it's a wig that you should add to your collection if you like this type of color, simply because of the lace that is on this wig. And it's very rare to find a color wig that has a nice invisible lace on it, and it comes with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots. It's rare, it happens, but it doesn't happen all the time, and to also have the quality hair attached to it. So I definitely know that My First Wig will do you right and will deliver, no doubt. So yeah. Okay girls, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys on the next wig video. Peace.